Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce. My name is Kuku Prasetya Jati. Name 20221072014. Studi program PAI Kelas A. Allow her I want to explain about how to use social media wisely. Change and development from era to era are increasingly more advanced. This is marked by the development of technology is very rapid, especially in communication. In the past, people communicated by correspondence and it took a long time to send the letter. However, in the 21st century, technology can be felt so rapidly developing so that the information we seek and order quickly. The information immediately reaches use and the information we receive doesn't take a long time. Some of the social media that we often use because of the easy of getting information are Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, and others. But in this easy era, we must remain vigilant because there are many irresponsible people who take advantage of this facility through their social media account to add crimes such as spreading hoax news, fraud, until the crime of sending fake link or of website was proposed is to carry out the usual data theft called cybercrime. Therefore, we must be smart in using this social media so that the crimes don't happen to use. Through the following ways we can use social media wisely and responsibly. Number one, don't just post content. When we want to post content to social media, we must be careful and selective in choosing the right upload to share on social media. If we cause the wrong content to be uploaded on social media, then this can cause problems such as physical insult and fake that can lead to law because they are ensnared by the law or the ATE law. Therefore, cause good content to upload on social media so that such problem don't user by causing educational content that can add insight and information to viewer. Number two, no detail needed to include information. We don't need to detail it about our personal information because this is also our privacy and our data should not be shared and published because if this happen then our personal data will be known by many people. It will invite crimes against use information that should not be shared on social media to maintain our privacy data are identity card such as password, ID card, and other personal data. This should not be shared because it is feared that there will be misuse of our personal data by irresponsible people and data theft. Number three, keep etiquette. When in using social media, must always maintain ethic, courtesy, and must have good relation with fellow social media users. We must not use harsh words or content elements of Sarah that result in clashes and hostility. Therefore, our must be good social media users and respect others. Number 4, always be vigilant and don't immediately believe. Intently believe in social media, we should not immediately believe the news that is not certain that the truth. It could be a hoax or not true. We must be vigilant in filtering and selecting information that is widely spread. Also, beware of unknown user who suddenly send message without a clear purpose. Ignore if this message is on our social media to prevent fraud or other unwanted things. Number 5, filter following account. Social media can also affect our mental health. Sometimes when we look at other people's social media account, we even compare them with our lives. We feel that their lives always look happy even talk we only see from the outside. We don't know how their life really is. On social media, there are also a lot of account that contain toxic and non-educational and education content using harsh words. This is easy for children to imitate, so that children are badly affected by the video content. Therefore, we must be able to filter the social media accounts that we follow in order to have a positive impact on use. Closing conclusion. So, today era is increasingly advanced and developing, especially in the field of technology, which these advances activities and work are easier and more sophisticated. By utilizing this sophisticated technology through social media, we can establish friendly relation with family, friend, even though the distance is far. With this social media, we are also now facilitated in communicating. However, in this digital era, many people misuse it to commit crimes. Therefore, in social media, we must be wise in its use. Reference First Media 2020, cara bijak menggunakan media sosial yang perlu kamu ketahui. https www.firstmedia.com, artikel cara bijak menggunakan media sosial yang perlu kamu ketahui. Akses on 1 January 2022. That's the presentation that I can convey. I'm sorry if there are word mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.